Hello everyone. Today in this video I would be taking you through a virtual tour of New Delhi. New Delhi is a union territory and also the national capital of India. It is officially known as National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is bordered by the state of Haryana on 3 sides and by the state of Uttar Pradesh in the east. Delhi is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. This is a very beautiful place to visit. The Red Fort. This beautiful fort is located in Old Delhi. India Gate, which is a war memorial, is located aside Rajpath. Qutub Minar, located in Mehrauli, is world's tallest minaret built of bricks. The Lotus Temple, which is built in shape of a lotus flower, is located in Nehru Place. Along with these, there are numerous places to visit in Delhi like Humayun's tomb, Akshardham Temple, Mughal Garden, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Ways to Wonder Park, different museums, etc. Art and culture have gone side by side and they have a strong influence over the citizens of Delhi. The Mughals ruled Delhi for a long period and the art during that period was worth seeing. Akbar has been known for his work on arts and crafts. The culture and tradition is still very well preserved with arts and craft galleries in the city representing the work of various artists. The National Gallery of Modern Art, the Lalit Kala Academy and the Sanskriti Kendra are some of the main arts and crafts centers in Delhi. People from different parts of the country come to Delhi to earn their livelihood and enhance the cultural heritage of this city. Paranthe Wali Gali. At this place there are several tiny shops serving delicious paranthe, fresh, hot and in a variety of styles. Netaji Subhash Place is famous for its delicious milkshakes all over the city. Lutyens Delhi is home to around 150 species of birds. Even common species such as Rufous tripy, the Indian grey hornbill, etc. can seem exotic to most of the people. Dera Mandi in South Delhi occupies a landscape with its 600 acres of alluvial soil in the ravines where the Yamuna flowed centuries ago before changing its course. The ravines are home to some of the rarest species of plants and trees found in the National Capital Region. The state animal of Delhi is Nilgai. The Nilgai is also called as blue bull, is the largest antelope in Asia. The thin-legged antelope is ubiquitous across the northern Indian subcontinent. The state bird of Delhi is a house sparrow. It is a common brown and grey sparrow that nests in eaves and roofs of houses. Gulmohar is referred as the state tree of Delhi. It has very beautiful orange and red leaves surrounding it. Alfalfa is the state flower of Delhi. It is cultivated as an important forage crop in many countries around the world. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this video.